Alright, 11:30 p.m. in DMK Airport. It's been a long time since I've been to Thailand, so I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, and I can't wait. Where's the bag? I never ever like check in my luggage. It's always just carry on. But the guy at the counter in Ho Chi Minh, he was like, "Look, man, you're overweight, but if you can do me a favor." Like my baggage was overweight. He goes, "Man, if you could do me a favor, check your luggage in because the flight's gonna be full. It'll make some space, and I won't charge you for the overweight because I'm only allowed like 7 kilos with AirAsia." He did me a solid. Thank you. Let's go. The border screening process is a little worryingly easy. Usually I've got my name on a board at BKK. But this time, not so VIP. Also, it is hot. It's like 29 degrees or something. It's midnight. I'm okay. Where are you? Traffic. I'm okay, how are you? Thank you. Alright, we're like, I don't know, 7 drinks deep. This guy decides to meet me, surprise me. He thought I was staying at a certain hotel, which I won't name, but I wasn't. And he was waiting for me, so I went and met up with him. And look what he's got. What is it?
Kway teow mu tun sen lek.
That. How many drinks deep are we?
I don't know.
I landed at 11:30 and time now is 3:44. So I landed at 11:30 and by 12:30 I'd met up with this guy. Anyway, I won't talk about the night. I think we're about to be in my happy place. Oh yeah. After months of not being in Thailand, a little bit tipsy. It's hitting me. I'm in Thailand, baby. I forgot to even say, I didn't even check into my hotel. Yeah, so I dumped my bags at the hotel and I was like, I'll be back in 2 hours. So let's see what the hotel looks like. You know me, 3-star, 2-star, it's all good. Alright, I can work here. Just dump this here. Let's shake them up. Boom. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. See what's going on. Whoa. Alright, look. I don't take baths, but alright. I don't have a balcony, but all good. I think oh, did you see I just sunk into that? I think 1 week in the Philippines and a week and some change in Vietnam. It's safe to assume I've been roughing it a little bit. I can probably get used to this. Welcome to Bangkok, baby.